Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom, and welcome to our mini challenge to help you discover a profitable niche so you can just crush it in your online business. So today we're going to talk all about your gifts. And I promise these videos are going to be short, sweet, actionable, so you can really just take it, run with it. And by day 5, you're going to have a super profitable niche. Okay, day 1, your gifts. So I want you to list 3 to 4 successes or accomplishments or just things that you're really proud of or things that people often ask you about. So list 3 to 5 things. Okay, so an example might be homeschooling your children, getting out of debt, becoming a completely toxin-free home, starting an online business and growing an email list. You know, there's so many different things. I want you to think about what are things people ask you about? What are some hobbies, talents, skills that you have that people ask you about that you're, again, really proud of? What do you find yourself just naturally drawn to help others? So you might see people struggling in an area and you think, oh, I could help them. And if you had the ability to earn an amazing living doing just one thing, what would that be? What would that be? And then I want you to think, what experience or knowledge do you have that you're often thinking, gosh, if they only knew, or I could save this person so much energy, time, frustration, money, whatever that might be. And when people come to you for help or personal advice or whatever, what area does that most often relate to? So I want you to journal those things out. And then from that list above, which thing do people seem to be the most interested in? Like, this is something that keeps coming up over and over again. So this is just helping you understand what your gifts are. So we're starting with this with day 1, and comment below, let me know what your gifts are, what's coming up for you, and I'll see you on day 2.